Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Locust Grove in this beautiful gated community looking at this gorgeous 5-bedroom home in the neighborhood of Nine Oaks. So Nine Oaks is actually a gated community, one of the very few in Locust Grove. It's across the street from Warren Holder Park, which is a nice little area to take the family. This neighborhood is fairly established. It has homes that have been built for the last few years, and they are just now completing the building. There are about 5 homes left that are being built right now, and the one I'm going to show you is one of those ones that is available right now. So as you can see, I'm driving through. It's a very small, compared to some of the neighborhoods I show, it's a very small community, but the lots are a nice size. It's well maintained, and I cannot wait to show you the inside. So I just want to say I appreciate everyone that's downloaded my relocation guide to Atlanta so far. If you are interested in that because you're looking to make the move to Atlanta in 2024, check the link in my description and download that guide. This is the 5-bedroom home that I'm going to show you. It's built by Capshaw Homes. It's the Copeland floor plan. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,900 square feet, and it is priced under $500,000, which is just an amazing deal. There are so many incentives, but in order to see this home, you will need to have an agent with you. So give me a call if you do not have an agent already. I would be more than happy to assist you in purchasing this home or any of the homes you see on my channel. Enjoy the tour.